What's up guys? Today we're going to be talking about the history of my blue R32 and also her current modifications. Let's take a drive. A little bit of backstory on this car. I bought it about a year and a half ago from a dude named Jeff. Shout out to Jeff. He unfortunately suffered a severe case of seller's remorse, and within a month or two he was in another R32. So after I bought the car, I knew it needed timing chains. I let it sit for a while as I saved up, and I'm glad I did, because when they did the timing chains, the gears that they pulled out were hella worn down. I'm pretty sure if I would have pushed the car as I wanted to, it would have had a engine catastrophic failure, so I'm glad I did it. Alrighty guys, we're going to do a little walkthrough, show you the inside, outside stuff I've done to her, stuff that she came with. Let's do it. The obvious first things that stick out are the wheels. These are New Speed RS06s, 19 by 8.5, and they're a whopping 19 pounds per corner. So I love these wheels. They're light, they're stylish, and they're pretty easy to clean, which they need right now. So yeah, I did replace this front bumper. Unfortunately, when I was on the highway driving her home, after I bought her, I hit a freaking tire in the middle of the road. Completely wrecked the front bumper. So that's Euro spec shaved side markers, smaller honeycomb than the OEMs, if you notice it. One of the previous owners did this carbon layover, which is pretty cool. I like it. Super Sprint exhaust, catback. You'll just have to take my word on that. Almost forgot the blind spot mirrors, both sides. Highly recommend these. Let's take a look inside. So the previous owner did a few things, which is upgrade the radio, which I loved. He added a sub, but I recently took that out, hence all this happening right here. So yeah, he added a radio, which is awesome. The driver's seat is brand new, as you can see. Redid the headliner, suede. It also came with a Thomas rear brace. So I recently just replaced the rear glass, got the spoiler fixed. It was fading like most of them do, and I got a new engine. Can't really tell now because it's so dirty, but that's why all of this is torn apart. Still got to put it back together. It's so much fun taking the old spoiler off. It was so much fun. You guys will see in the next video. So this car is still pretty much stock, besides Schrick cams, did a front wave track LSD, the Super Sprint exhaust, tune, New Speed race series cold air intake, HPA Haldex controller, and a short shifter, which I'm not too sure of the brand, but they're short throws. New clutch, new tensioner, mass airflow sensor. We had an internal fault in the original one. Pretty much every damn sensor replaced on this engine. I'll have to make a list. Oh man, appreciate you letting me film here. All right, be safe. All right.